You can expect a lot from the 2020 Honda CR-V. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.